How to fix messages unavailable on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to fix messages unavailable issue on Instagram. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, when you have this issue of messages unavailable, you have to check whether you have a stable internet connection on your device or not. For that, you can simply go ahead and check your internet. If the internet connection is not working well, or if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you can easily switch the Wi-Fi to the mobile data. And you have to check whether your issue has been fixed or not. The other thing what you need to do is open Play Store and then search for the updates of Instagram. So let's type Instagram on the search bar, and next to the Instagram icon or the application you will see the update button. If you see it, you can tap on update and then update your Instagram app. As you can see that I already have updated my app, that's why we can see the open button next to it instead of updates. The other method you can follow is you need to simply go ahead and open the settings on your device. Scroll down and select Apps option. Open the app management, and then on the search bar, you need to again type in Instagram and search for the app info of Instagram. Let's open Instagram, and you need to select storage users. Now clear all the cache of Instagram. If you wish to clear data, you can also simply tap on clear data, but make sure you all know the informations and the credentials of Instagram, as once you clear data, you'll be asked to again enter the login informations, and then only you'll be able to log in into the Instagram account. Once you have done that, you need to check whether your message unavailable issue has been fixed or not. If not, at the last you need to simply restart your device, because on your device itself there might be issue. For that, you can easily hold on your power button in your device, and once you hold on power button you will get the restart option. You can simply tap on the slider and slide towards upward and restart your device. Once you followed all the steps, your message unavailable issue on Instagram will be fixed.
So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.